Friends, have you recognized us? This is the same IHN, that is the Institute of Hotel Management Gwalior. This institute is located in the city of Gwalior in the state of Madhya Pradesh, India. I am Bankim Jordar, head of the department and the quantity training kitchen in charge. At the same time, I also control the discipline activities of the students, being a discipline committee head. Today is 6th of August 2025. Today we have prepared another Punjabi dish and we have brought it in front of you. The love with Punjab is very much as far as the students are concerned, because Punjabi food is such a nice thing. We cannot forget the taste of it. The moment we talk about the Punjabi dal, Punjabi roti, Punjabi curry, all the things that like increases the secretion of the saliva in the mouth. And just trust me very well that not only that part, we love the food of each and every part equally, because we are at the learning mode. We are learning here, and being a teacher, I am also learning with the students. I am also learning with the great chef Shri Brij Mohan Gabrani. I am also learning with Mr. Suresh, the cleaning worker, and obviously our students. So friends, Punjab is such a place which does not require any explanation. That is situated on the northern part of India. It has got abundance of milk and milk products. It has got the best quality of the wheat, the best quality of atta or the flour, and what not. The Punjabi people are very jolly, they are very friendly, and Punjabi song, you have already heard about it, you have already enjoyed about it. So the more I say, the less it is. So without taking much time, what I will do is, I will request my supervisor to explain today's episode in his own term so that our friends can have the chance to send in the dialogue box their queries. So over to supervisor, please.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Mrinal Das. Today I am here to express the views on the Punjabi menu. My name is Mrinal. Today's date is 6 August 2025, Wednesday. We are the group C students, BSc HHA second year students in QTK Institute of Hotel Management, Gwalior. Today we have prepared Punjabi dishes. We know that Punjabi is famous for cultural and historical, like Golden Temple in Amritsar, the festival which is celebrated like Lohri, Baisakhi and Guru Purab, and the cuisine such as chole bhature, butter, paneer masala, which we made today. So let's start our beautiful food presentation. Okay. First we can see the salad, which is presented by Balram Pariyar, Ram Kewat and Raghavendra Kushwaha. As you can see, they have present the salad very beautifully. Like you can see the tomato and onions all and carrot, they are cut in roundel shape. And I want to know, Raghavendra Kushwaha, please taste. Raghavendra, please taste. So please come.
So friends, we have seen
that the carrots are very fresh and
however
it is good for our health.
How about the cuts?
The cuts are very beautiful. It is cut very roundels.
The cuts are very good, and the cuts are not very much thick and the thin. You will see that on each and every cut there are scratchings. So if the scratching is there is one advantage, that if there is any germs or bacteria on its body, it will be automatically loosened, and after that, if you wash it in the water, that will go away. That is one advantage. Another thing is, it will also increase the design of it more acceptably. So I would like to ask our supervisor that what are the nutrients you get from the salad?
I can get the nutrients from like vitamin E, protein.
Okay, and roughage we have got?
No, there is no
roughage is there. Salad is a good source of roughage. Okay, vitamins are there. We have got a very good percentage of the moisture into it. And friends, you are supposed to take salad at least 50 to 60 grams or even 100 grams in 24 hours, because the more you take the salad, the gastrointestinal movement of your body will be very, very clear, and you will not have the problem of the constipation. Not only that, there are many like elements, like nutrients, which help you up to maintain your body. So salad is inevitable in each and every Indian menu. After that, we have got papad. Supervisor, please pass some comments on the uniqueness of the papad.
We can see the next dish is papad prepared by Mantisha Khan, Ram Kewat and Raghavendra Kushwaha. You can see like they have the presentation of the papad is very good. Like supported, the two papads are supported by each other. From this we can see that in friendship, friends also support us very good. Okay, it is Mantisha, Raghavendra Kushwaha. Please give your feedback. Raghavendra Kushwaha, give your feedback. Raghavendra Kushwaha, give your feedback. Sir, please take. Raghavendra Kushwaha. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you can see that the papad is well cooked, and I can see some soil which is harmful for health, and the crunchiness is very good. Taste is delicious, and the salt balance is perfectly done. Next dish we come in bundi ka raita. You can see that they are prepared in matti ka katori. In this bundi raita, salt is good. Garnished with coriander leaves. Presented by Prachi, Pratham and Mantisha. So I need Prachi. Please give your feedback. Mantisha, Pratham.
It is good in taste. Salt is perfect.
So please.
So I can see the texture of the raita. This is a little bit watery, friends. But if the raita is not watery, it will not be possible to like consume it with the rice. But if you want to make the raita a little bit thick, that can also be possible. But the quality of the curd should be little more proper, or the water has been added into it. So I'm not taking any objection into it. Just I will have it. Tasting good. The quantity of the salt is perfect. The softness in the bundi granules is very good, and the garnish is excellent. It goes very well with the rice. It goes very well with the Indian bread in Punjabi style, like tandoori roti, tandoori naan, etc. Anything like Prachi or Mantisha can pass regarding the raita?
So raita is a good consistency and it is perfect in.
Okay, we will go to the next item then.
Okay.
Matar pulao.
The next dish is Matar Pulao, which is presented by Naina and Pratham.
Hello, Namaskar friends. We have today made vegetable pulao. Main ingredients of in rice, Indian spices, whole spices, and butter, and please taste it.
So please.
I will also taste it, and supervisor, you please taste it and pass your comments regarding the doneness of the rice, regarding
You can see the presentation of the Matar Pulao is very good, which is garnished with coriander leaf. They have given a bowl shape of the Matar Pulao. The plating and presentation is also good. So please.
tasting good. The softness of the rice after cooking is also good. But I think at the time of sauteing the rice for the matar pulao, just before adding water, the sauteing part should have been little more, because it gives me a little bit sensation of the boiled rice. It's boiled rice, there is no doubt. But the thing is, the conception of this pulao has to be developed. If you have the boiled rice and if you have the boiled rice mixed with green peas and the green peas pulao, there should be the difference very clear. The eater of the dish, without taking much time, they should be in a position to tell that this is pulao, this is the boiled rice mixed with green peas. So that thing I'm taking a little bit of objection, that the sauteing part of the rice would have been much more. But friends, as because we are making the food in quantity, today we have prepared the food for 225 portions, and the quantity making food, quantity-full food, that creates this kind of problem, which goes slowly, but there's a room for improvement. I beg your pardon for that. So we will not repeat it in the next session. After that, we have got chole masale.
We can proceed for the next dish. The dish name is chole masala, presented by Naina and Prashant Rajput.
Good afternoon viewers, my name is Naina Rajput, and so as you know, today we prepared Punjabi menu, so in which me and my friends prepared chole masala, which is delicious in taste and also delicious in presenting. So you can see it is garnished with onion and sliced ring onion and julienne cut of tomato, ginger and chili. and the color of chole masala is, you can see, yellowish brown color, which is prepared by boiled chickpeas. Firstly we take chickpeas and boil into pressure cooker, and then we prepared a gravy which is which you include so many spices, cumin seeds, and Indian spices, all whole spices, etc. and tomatoes, purees, and sliced onions. So you can taste, please.
So please.
So you can see the consistency and thickness of the curry, like gravy is
Chole masala.
good.
Supervisor, taste it. Give it to your friends also. Let your friends taste it, because you are the budding chefs. You will be able to understand the quality and
The balancing of the salt in the chola masala is perfectly done, and the chola are also properly cooked.
gravy is perfect. The color is also very good. The mixing of the masala with the gravy is very good. The softness of the, or the doneness of the chole, that's the kabli chana out here, that is also good. I have already tasted it. Mr. Suresh Bhaiya has given to me earlier. But before the camera, I will confess something.